What's up, everybody? This is my face. Trailer just destroyed. 19 minutes. Only can be 15-minute videos. But I'm just gonna.
Shut up.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna. Okay, you can shut up now. Can you please?
Shut up.
Sound effects. And from here, I press these buttons. Comes out of here, literally. Look, I'm gonna. I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna put it right here.
You are one pathetic loser.
Who, them or me? I think me, because my fans are not pathetic losers. They are amazing, right?
Hell yeah!
Oh my God, yeah, you, especially you. You're great. You know, I'm going to play around with some sound effects. Well, I saw all my fans that did. Wait, no. I'm going to use this bomb to make them alive. I know it might sound crazy, but I'm still going to do it. Oh my God, guys are alive. That's crazy. Aww. I got this a little while ago. Oh my God, it's on fire. Everyone get up. They came for me. Oh no, get the pills. Oh my God. You know, I really like some. Yeah, so do you. I bet you do. If you don't, that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. He's here. He's trying to kill me now. That was me, yeah. Wait, demonic laugh? Okay, stop. Oh no. I punched on my fans.
Bummer.
Yeah, I know, right?
Bummer.
No. I have a YouTube channel.
Bummer.
No, that's good, dude.
Bummer.
No, that... What about you? Yeah, you. You.
Excellent.
Yeah, I know.
Absolutely excellent.
Shh. Yeah. Just...
Shut up.
Yeah. Wait, you told me to shut up. Should I put this here? I'll just lie on the ground. Yeah, I'm in my bed, by the way.
You are a huge nerd.
No, I'm not, dude. I make videos on my bed. That's okay. Dude, pardon. No. Oh. Pardon you?
Oh, come on!
I did nothing. That's our clown horn.
Bummer.
I said nothing. You just powered up. You know that, right? You just powered up.
Excellent. Absolutely
I
excellent.
thought you were going to say bummer.
Bummer.
No, okay, now you say bummer? Oh, God. This guy just won hockey. Look, the hockey one. Yeah, you can find what else is here?
I'm sorry.
I forgive you. You know, I've known you for a long time now. Enough of that. I already have 6 other girlfriends.
What?
I mean,